Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Hyderabad. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions at your own pace for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome, let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. Our checkout. City center highlights. Not so long, we recommend 5 hours for this tour. Another tour is kid-friendly attractions. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. Let's look at if you only have a day. A busy day spent exploring must-see attractions, including Golconda, Buddha statue of Hyderabad, and Lumbini Park. Capital of a kingdom that flourished from the 14th to 16th century, with 87 semicircular bastions. Next stop, Buddha statue of Hyderabad. Monolith of Gautama Buddha on its own island in Hussain Sagar Lake, which can be reached by boat. And then Charminar. Iconic 16th century mosque with 4 grand arches, 48 meters tall minarets and views over the Laad Bazaar. Move on to Makkah Masjid, Hyderabad. Imposing, ornate mosque built with bricks from Mecca and decorated with Belgian crystal chandeliers. Let's look at city center highlights. The bustling city center, from a 16th century mosque amid a Bengal souk to museums of art and history. Persian-style palaces with an opulent Durbar hall in 12-acre grounds open for events and receptions. Move on to Makkah Masjid, Hyderabad. Imposing, ornate mosque built with bricks from Mecca and decorated with Belgian crystal chandeliers. And then Charminar. Iconic 16th century mosque with 4 grand arches, 48 meters tall minarets and views over the Laad Bazaar. And then Nizam Museum. Artifacts from the entirety of the city's history built by a former ruler to celebrate his family. Next to Salar Jung Museum. Former art collection of the Salar Jung family from around the world, now a museum. Move on to Telangana State Archaeology Museum. Buddhist artifacts, bronzes, Ajanta paintings and an Egyptian mummy displayed in a Nizam-era palace. Next to Birla Mandir, Hyderabad. Imposing, hilltop Hindu temple built of white marble, with towers, shrines and interior carvings. Let's look at kid-friendly attractions. A day spent on and around Hussain Sagar Lake, exploring gardens, a Hindu temple and a water park. Imposing, hilltop Hindu temple built of white marble, with towers, shrines and interior carvings. Move on to Birla Science Museum. Museum housing a science center and dinosaurium, as well as a planetarium and an observatory. Next to NTR Gardens. Urban park covering 34 acres, with family attractions, a restaurant, fountains and a Japanese garden. Move on to Jalabahar. Water park featuring slides and a massive wave pool along with lakefront lawns and food vendors. The most popular travel time in Hyderabad is August. The temperature ranges from 30 to 22 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Deccan Festival is in February and March. Hindu celebrations like Diwali is in October to November. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.